Well, hey guys, I am installing currently on my 2017 WRX. I'm here in the garden, the only place I have right now to park the Subaru that is in somewhat of a dry area. I'm installing some LED, yellow LED from Diode Dynamics fog light bulbs. This side's kind of being a bit more of a pain in the ass than the other side. You got a little scuff here. I have to get the bumper off and have that replaced. It's pretty beat up right now. But this is pretty easy. All they have to do is come down here. Where are they? Gotta remove this one. There's another one down here further. Right there. You gotta remove both these pins, and then you can stick your hand in there, untwist the bulb, and remove it. And I'll show you guys what those look like in a second. Alright, once you get those pins removed, you come in here, pull this little plastic flap down, like so. Come in here, finger it, finger good. See, pull that out, pull this wire down. Oh wow. You think she's melted? You think this is why my fog lights weren't working? Bought this car used, guys. Alright, all you do is unplug it. See, it just came right out. Grab your nice moss-filled Diode Dynamics LEDs, and you plug her in. I'll do that in a second without you guys, because I only have one hand right now. Alrighty, once you got her plugged in, you shove all this wiring back into the hole which she came, minus the leaf. Get out. There, got the leaf out, my bad. Get her in here, and you fumble around a bit because this is your first time, you don't know what to do right yet. And then use your finger. Oh, guide her in. Oh, and she's in. It's like the first time all over again, boys. Then you gotta line up these notches just so. Get her in. Oh, come on now. You know you want to be in there. There we go. And you lock her in place. Hopefully that's the right way. I don't think it is. Let's take a peek, see on the other side. Let's see if I got that one right. Oh, there's condensation. And no, that bulb is twisted. The other way. So we'll come in and reorientate this one. I'll do that. Alright, after fumbling around in the dark like a moron for 5 minutes, she's ready to go. So, tuck up all the wiring, make sure you got all that back in place. Go back to where you belong. Come on now. Look at my scarred bumper. Make sure I'm not too dumb. Get this flap. It goes back under. This flap goes on the outside. Make sure the other one's on the outside. It is. You take these doodads, push them in. Ooh. You push them in. Do that off camera once again because it seems to be having some issues. So on our adventure, we just found a cat. So we're gonna take him to the Humane Society Monday. But fog lights look cool, I guess. Well, that's the end of the video, guys. Love you guys. See you later.